Hi, I'm Georgie Krieg. My husband Paul and I have been farming here for 30 years. We grow a rotation of cotton and grains here at Brookstead on the Darling Downs. Through doing the myBMP Express workshop, we became more aware of the biosecurity measures that we could take. One of the ideas we got from completing the biosecurity module was to put a biosecurity sign up out the front of the farm, and that's already proven itself to be really helpful. For example, Ergon came in the other day. They were putting up a new transformer, and usually they would just drive in, but this time they actually pulled up at the house and came in and checked with me. Next season we're implementing a visitors register. We have many different people coming on farm. By having the visitors register, it shows our trial cooperators that we are serious about biosecurity, and it gives us a good opportunity to talk to them about what our expectations are on farm. For us to implement the practices that we needed to for the biosecurity module, it was actually reasonably easy. My advice for other growers as far as implementing myBMP, just get on and get it done. It's easy. Talk to other growers that are already accredited and get some ideas off them, because it really is that simple.